How can God pass from simplicity? Because at the core, at the highest level, God's presence, in a way, it is simple, to a complexity. A complexity when the presence of God permeates and descends into all universes, into all local universes and planets and human beings, how complex that becomes. Yes, how does God, from infinity descends into this finite of humanness? Because God is the only completely still. God is the only, let's say, self-contained, unchanging being in the whole universe of all universes. And the whole complexity of all universes. This, in a way, God does not depend on it. Because God has no outside, no beyond, no past, no future. So God is that unchanging being with absolute will, with absolute creative spirit, full of potential. All probable potential is there within God, and yet God is self-existent and present everywhere. So that's another confirmation that God must be within you too. Now, if God is a word for you that may have some inner relation with some form of religion, and if that is a bit disturbing for some people, yes, you can look at the source, absolute presence of that consciousness in its pure formless infinity. And God, source, is completely independent. The very nature of God does not change. It's the only permanent presence. That exists. God is unchanging, and yet it is only when you reach yourself God consciousness state you can begin to understand how God can move from simplicity into complexity. Because God's presence, God's core is quietude, is empty. And from quietude and emptiness, with radiance, of course, there's an immense radiance, presence of that God source. But then that moves into motion. As God then moves into motion, it moves from infinity into finitude, Yes, from divine into human, from unity and oneness into duality. So God, source, consciousness, full consciousness, it can modify these expressions of His absoluteness. And all these expressions, by His will alone, find its way into humanness. And that is why there is such a beauty of authenticity of each and every one of you. Because yes, the formless God, Source, Sat-Purush, is one unchangeable force. And yet, as God has descended into each and every finite, human, planet, universe, whatever, then that gives this beautiful permission for each and every authentic being to express the angle of God from millions and trillions of facets of God itself. So God is this being of absolute determination. There are no limits to His actions in this universe, except those that He places upon Himself, His free will. And these are the perfect attributes that belong to eternity, to His eternal nature. And where is His eternal nature? It's right within you, living, alive, closer than your breath, within you. So that free will, even of creative infinity, is all within you. There's so much to unpack here. There's so much to unpack, because Source, God, is the central, the creator of the central, all perfect universes, the source of all creators. Maybe on this earth, our creation is a little smaller, what we have ability to create on a physical note. But if you enlarge that way beyond the human limitation, many beings, creators are creating immensities of creation, but they all happen by the will of God. You can look at this as if, as we are these creator sons and daughters. Yes, so we work together. We fully share God, Source, divinity. We share it. It's a co-creation happening. It's so above, which is so below, and within and out. Although when you look at it from the Source God perspective, There is no outer or inner or beyond. It is all wholly divine and absolute.